Hello, I'm Sonny Park, a student of Sechang Middle School in Yangsan. Today, drought is having a serious impact on our lives and resources. In particular, drought is causing serious damage in agricultural production, living water, and environmental preservation. So, today I'm going to talk about the efforts we can make to prevent drought. Examples of efforts we can make are planting trees, education, and spreading awareness. The first is planting trees. Tree planting plays an important role in preventing drought. First, trees absorb groundwater and rainwater through their roots and regulate moisture in the atmosphere through transpiration, lowering temperatures and reducing water evaporation in the soil. Second, trees help reduce the severity of drought by attracting rain, preventing soil erosion through their roots, and leaves and advancing climate change with carbon absorption. The second is education and awareness spread to prevent drought. In order to prevent drought, education and awareness spreading are essential. First, through education, people can understand the causes of drought and the damage it causes, and learn how to conserve water and manage it better than now to reduce water waste in their daily, their daily lives. Second, the spread of awareness strengthens community cooperation, increases efforts to conserve water in the community, supports water conservation policies, and helps future generations develop the habit of managing water sustainably. In conclusion, individuals and communities have to work together to prevent a drought. Planting trees can revive nature, preserve water, and prevent the ground from collapsing. Through education, we can learn how important water is and practice how to conserve and manage it well. This way, we can reduce the risk of drought and create a clean environment in the future. With cooperation and responsibility, I hope everyone can create a drought-resistant society together.